Poppy, and today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous DIY advent calendar. It's a really cool project because I've given you lots of different options of what you can house your little goodies or treats or notes for your children in. So I'm going to teach you how to do a DIY gift bag, also this really simple little DIY gift box, and also furoshiki, the Japanese style of fabric gift wrapping. So keep watching and I'll teach you how. So I hope you're feeling really inspired to give a DIY advent calendar a go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you follow me because I have loads more really cool DIY projects that can come your way. Bye! Merry Christmas!